In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online with Builderall within 48 hours. Before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will get back to you. Alright, so let me hop into my computer and show you. So this right here is the Builderall dashboard, and when I come here to the notifications, just to show you that this is working, as you can see, I'm getting leads, I'm getting commissions, right? All these commissions are coming in, and I've just started promoting this new system that I'm going to show you today. And man, I'm blown away and shocked at how good the system is. And it is working so amazing, and I'm going to show you right now what it is and how you can put it together, and also the bolts and nuts of it on how it works, so you can have a look into it and really understand what this is all about. But before I show you the system, I want to just show you this. This is my mailing boss right here. This is where I collect the emails. So just to give an idea, I've just started with the system, and the opt-in page, I've captured here 87 leads. By the way, this list right here, it's connected with this list. And what I mean by this is like this list right here, which has 89, this one right here, is the opt-in list. So 87 people opted into this offer, and look at this, 26 people went ahead and bought the $1 plan, or they went to it and they might not buy it, but there's upsells. So out of 87 people, 26 people want to go ahead for the $1 plan through this funnel. So just to show that this is converting like insane. I mean, make yourself the calculations. If 87 people, opt into the landing page, and then 26 people actually went and entered their details to buy, or some of them actually bought the $1, then you can already see the power of this. Now let me go ahead and explain to you this funnel, how it is and how you can make money with it using Builderall. So first of all, this funnel has two funnels, which are these two. I'm going to show you. So the first one, which is this one, is this funnel is the landing page, the capture page. This is where we capture the user's email, and literally it says new system made us this amount, 3,992 in 48 hours. And as you can see, this is the commissions that they get on Warrior Plus, which by the way, I'm going to show you how it's done, because you can actually make commission not only with Builderall recurring income, but also with the upsells, right? So when people enter their email on this page, then here on Builderall, they're gonna be redirected to this second page, which is the sales page right here, which is, so this is the page right here, right? Literally how we made this amount of money in 48 hours, and how you can learn from us and copy our funnel right now for $1. So what this does is the person can duplicate this funnel for themselves to promote. And this is the exact funnel that I've jumped on, and the one that is having those numbers that I shared with you, right? And so the thing with this is once you get for $1, once you purchased, so you purchase right here, this is step one, and then you click to download the funnel right here once you pay the $1, and then you'll have this exact funnel, which is the one that I'm talking about, ready to make sales with Builderall. And let me tell you something, guys. Some of you know that lately I've released the $1 challenge funnel, and I told you guys, and I actually proved that it's converting well, and it is. But this thing right here, it's even converting better, and I'm gonna tell you why, and why I'm gonna show you. So because I'm just showing you the beginning of it. Make sure you stay till the end of the video so you can know what I'm talking about. So you can duplicate this funnel. By the way, here's proof of loads of people having success with this funnel. This funnel, by the way, was made by these two guys, AJ Simon and Mark Hayden. So these are the guys that build the funnel, okay? So more, signups, as you can see here, they're getting, signups. I'm also getting signups, and with just a few little bit of clicks. So it's really awesome. See commissions, okay, showing all of that, and then you can start right here, and this will get you the $1 to get this funnel, so you can import to your account and get started. But now this is not just it, because watch what happens. After you buy the $1, you're gonna be redirected to this second page, which is this is where like a lot of magic happens with this funnel. And let me share with you what is it that happens, so that you can actually see what's going on. So the first thing, this is upsells that come after. So they buy the $1, they get the funnel to promote Builderall and make the recurring income through the sales, right? But then they come to this page where it's upsells. Now these upsells are very important. Why? First upsell is 30 emails with videos, high converting opt-in pages, and just for $17. Now let me share with you this right here on the, if I come here to the campaign and then email sequence here on Mailing Boss, this upsell right here, which is the 30 emails, they actually did it in a way that it's 3 parts. So funnily enough part 3, funnily enough part 1, and funnily enough part 2. Now these follow-ups right here are something like I've never seen anything like this. They're so well written. All of them pretty much have testimonials of people having success with this funnel. And by the way, this is all legit people that are actually doing it. And so this follow-up, it's so freaking powerful. I myself bought it and I implement it. I definitely recommend, if you jump on this, you get this upgrade right here, because this upgrade, it's gonna get you the follow-up that is so key for this to work even better. And the reason is because with that sequence right here, the thing is, you're not only promoting Builderall, but you're actually promoting the upsells as well, which are these. And so you're not only making money with Builderall, you're also making money with the upsells. That people actually need these, because these will literally help a lot on succeeding with this specific funnel, okay? And so I bought this just to show you here. This is like, with this sequence, it's getting active leads like crazy. The open rates are amazing. So but now, once you go to these upsells, let's say you buy it. So you buy it or not. If you don't buy it, or either if you buy it or not, you're gonna come to the next page, which is another upsell. Now this upsell right here is limitless traffic. Literally, it's gonna show you how to get traffic online, free traffic methods with YouTube, Facebook, YouTube ads, Google ads, how to connect your domain to your funnel. So if you don't know how to get traffic online, paid or free, this upsell will get you that, right? So this is a great upsell. If you're not into traffic, will help you out. By the way, when you get into this funnel, it's gonna teach you step by step. It's gonna literally guide you on how to set up everything and how to put it all together. That's why this is so amazing, because it's all-in-one solution where you provide this to people, and then people don't actually need to reach out to you, because everything is in here. It's like a machine. And so either if you buy this or not, if you know how to get traffic, you don't need this, right? So let's go no thanks to go to the next page. Or if we buy, we still go to the next page, which is get unlimited VIP support. So this is if you want support to his group, right? This is another upsell. By the way, all of these upsells, you can be making money with these upsells. I'm going to talk to you in a minute about it. Let's say no thanks to go to there's another upsell, which is the super affiliate upsell. Now this upsell, I bought this upsell because this upsell is you can get 50%, which is right here. You get 50% on the sales funnel sales. So on all of these upsells, you can make 50%. And I bought this because I wanted to go ahead and make sales on the upsells as well. I know a guy that is, crushing with this. I just got this, by the way, but I already made sales with it. But the thing is, this is amazing. And the thing is, not only you're making money with Builderall, but also with the upsell. So this is an upsell I bought. Okay, you can go ahead and buy it if you want. I recommend this one. And then no thanks to go to the next page, right? And there's even another upsell right here, which is book a strategy call. So if you want for them to set everything up for you, like they're gonna literally teach you how to set up all the systems so you can be ready to you know, make money with this system if you don't know how to do it. But they're gonna teach you how to do it. If you follow, you'll be okay. I followed and I did it. But if you want them to set everything for you, you can go ahead and buy this package, right? So let's move to the next page. So, okay, so this is the congratulations page. This is where it's gonna literally teach you how to do everything, how to set it up. By the way, you won't need to buy the funnel club of Builderall to be, they're gonna teach you how to be approved to be an affiliate for Builderall with the normal plan of Builderall. So you won't need to buy the funnel club at this point because it's gonna teach you here how to do it, right? So this is how to import the funnel and to set it up for your own self, right? Literally all the steps and the things that you can, you know, get it so you can get started, right? Now, let me tell you that this funnel right here is literally, it's a money making machine. And the thing is with this funnel, let me be clear with it, is that you send traffic to this funnel and most of the time you're gonna make your money back. It's true, man, because this funnel is converting so high that it works like this. I have a friend of mine that is just making money, investing back in it, making money, investing back in it, and just making money off of this system. Like, it's amazing. So I will leave below a link to this page right here, which is the opt-in page. I'm going to leave the link below in the description and also on the pinned post on the comments. To this system, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to capture your email and then it's going to send you to the next page. But you can get started with $1 only if you want, right? And you'll have this system in place. But if you want the upgrades to help you, then I definitely recommend you buy them. But if you don't have the money now, you can just start with $1. And man, this system, it's rock solid, amazing. This is a money making machine. And trust me, you send traffic to this funnel, you're making money, guaranteed. So with that said, thank you so much. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. Stay blessed. If you want, smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, as I do videos, you know, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. If you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.